What's up, guys? Just bringing you guys the emblem review. I did peel off the 3M and I did leave off some of the residue from, you guys can see it right here, so I know exactly where it is, the outline. Then I'll clean this off. So this is the emblem that I got. I'm just gonna line it up so you guys can see. It'll be really easy install. I'm gonna press it down. You guys want to hold this for like 15 seconds. You're actually supposed to heat it up, the 3M, so it sticks better. But I don't think this is gonna go anywhere, to be honest. Like, this piece is so light that just a 3M like this is gonna hold it nice. Just want to give a couple presses. This is what I was talking about the last video. The 3M is lifting up. Yeah, I better redo this spoiler. But this emblem, no, that's not going nowhere. So here you guys have it. Looks really good. I was gonna clean off the residue, but you guys have the look. Let me know what you guys think.